Welcome to ACE25, Denver, Colorado.
ACE25 is the annual celebration of the American Water Works Association. We get together and test ourselves and have a lot of fun.
1, 2, 3, go!
Pipe tapping competition is mimicking the main and the street and the service line that goes into everyone's homes.
I think it really brings some of the field work that we do to the national stage, so to speak.
So the competition compares to the job in the streets. For us, it may be just a simple competition. We're out here maybe a couple times a year. However, there are men and women who put their lives on the line every day to make sure we have safe, reliable water to our customers.
It's something unique. So I'm in public affairs, and so you wouldn't normally think of someone in public affairs and public outreach doing this type of thing, but it makes me appreciate what the guys do out in the field.
Yeah, I think it's just a lot of fun, and it's great to be at conferences like this.
Join me in welcoming here on Pipe A, Denver Watermen's Champion Team.
I think all these guys up here are very, very competitive. They know it's in them, I know it's in them, we all know it's in them, and they'll be back next year, no doubt.
Ready, set, go!
So this is hydrant hysteria. So basically it's putting a hydrant together for time.
This is for fun, but we do deal with hydrants day in and out. We don't do much of the taking apart, but we do replace them and install new. The best part for me is getting to hang out with the guys outside of work.
Here for the atmosphere, here for all the crowd. So just being able to still be a part of the tapping, hydrant hysteria, all the competitions, it's fun.
Today we're competing for who does the fastest assembly on a meter. I've been doing this for 3 years. You know, for today's meter, I've been practicing maybe for 3-4 months.
Who's gonna get a lift? Go, Candace, go!
Had great team members. It's been a good time, but it's also a way for us to highlight exactly what our utility does, especially for the men and women in distribution.
We left everything out there and we have a really great team, so I think we crushed it.